Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use your iPad if your activation lock is locked or you forget your Apple ID. There's a technique that you can use the software and can use YouTube and some all other software, and you can use internet in iPad without the activation lock or your Apple ID. How can it be done? Let's go ahead. First of all, you'll have to go ahead, choose the English, then it will ask the region. You have to choose. If you I'm in Australia, so I choose Australia here. Then you have to go to the TP link 829B. This is the internet that's being used here, but whatever internet being used at your home, the Wi-Fi, you have to choose the one. But what you have to do is here, mostly there is no information sign in the side of your internet connection when you go ahead, but what you have to do is to bring that sign, you have to press the key and just release it, you home button and release it. Tells you continue. It's already open, the information window is already open, that's why it's not going to. But if you click the home button, information button will appears and you can remove that. So here you go to the information then you have to do forget the network, forget. Then you can use DNS. In DNS you have to use 151.154.51. Sorry, it can be used, but this reason we don't use this one, so we use a different one. So if I want to do again, so over there, DNS, go to DNS, backspace. So the number you have to enter here is DNS 104.154.51.7. And if there is a join button, you can join from here. If there is not join button, what you'll have to do is you have to go back, then you go down, have a look there which internet is used. That's a TP link 829B. So we go there, double click, so it helps join. It asks for password, but because you did forgot the password, that's why you have to ask the password again. But when you hack this, you use the iHack system, that you have to use the password again. That's why we intentionally do the forget the password. Then here you enter the pure password, whatever. I'm using my Wi-Fi password, TP-Link Ni2V, and you have to use your own password. Here your Wi-Fi password, I enter mine, you have to enter your own password there. So the screen will be like this. It might take few minutes to it goes to the activation lock. So you don't have your activation lock, or you don't have your applied, you forgot by chance, or your child just changed it and you don't know how to open it. What you have to do is you go back from here, go back once again, then the screen change to like this. Then you have to wait for some time. Then menu, you can check the different thing here, like everything you can open from here. But if you have to bring the screen is normal ones, it's not normal but it looks like normal, you can change into that one as well. But you can directly use a different kind of applications from here as well. Applications, so alternative interfaces, you can try hacking from here. Hack, I hacked the DNX, so it didn't work because of some reason. That's why we have to use some other ways now. Go back. Now you go down, so there is not anything. Now go down back once again. If you go to internet, here's applications here, but you don't have to do application. Go back and internet. So it comes like this, but in some iPad, in the different version, comes with display in the list as well. But this is not list form, it comes with icon in older version of iPad. So search, you press the search, screen appears like this. Then you have to go to Google, one here, have to wait for some time. Google appears. Then what you have to do is you have to just search I hacks DNS. Go ahead. So you can choose one of them from here. It says you have to go in this one. Now something like this. See, the screen is here. It looks like the similar, like actual the iPad. So you just slide to the right, so other icon appears, then you can start using it like this. See, there's different things, photos there, all icons there. So you don't need your Apple ID, you can use it if you choose your, like if you want to play any video, you just open it. If you want to open the Google Map, use YouTube. Yeah, whatever you want, you can use it from here. But imagine, but some of them you can't use here, like this is, you can see Apple Store is the hacks store, so you can't use it properly as we do in the normal one. But you can use for everything else. Like if you go open the Safari, from Safari you can open every site, like any site you want, like news.com.au. if you do news.com.au, news.com.au. You open this one. See, it's like normal. How you want to use it? You can read the news. You can use for every different purpose. Only App Store is a hack store, so it doesn't open. Normally, it takes quite a long time. That's it. That's it for today. If you get any problem, please shoot me a message. Thank you. Can use YouTube as well.